Hi guys, I forgot something really important, and that's that DNA was found inside Suzanne's car on her glove box on the day that she went missing, and that DNA belonged to an unidentified male. It's not Barry, and then it was run through CODIS, and it is linked to three different SAs. So there's that little bit of information. Um, we've also seen or heard of the text messages between Suzanne and her friend Sheila, and Suzanne showed that her relationship with Barry was not good at all, and Suzanne was unhappy, and she felt that her relationship with Barry was having an ill effect on her health. She complained of how Barry was overbearing and would tell her how to dress and things like that. And she was starting to rebel against that. She was starting to come into herself. And she also mentioned that she had to call 911 because she had seen headlights and a shadow figure moving around outside the house and like peeping in the windows and stuff. But then it later turned out that it had been Barry. Um, she said that he was becoming increasingly, I think she might have said deranged. And so there's all that going on. And that when they would argue, Barry would try to bring the girls into it and set them against Suzanne, and then Barry would take off, and sometimes he'd be gone for days. It's just really turning into quite a complex story, and we learned that we're obviously going to have to look into Suzanne's male friend, because they also were talking about how she was having a conversation with him where they were talking about her kids and his kids. So I don't know if he has a wife or anything like that, so that could even be another person with a motive if that's the case. It's really getting rather complicated. The good thing is it sounds like there's all kinds of evidence. The bad thing is that some of it is getting like the defense is coming up with other scenarios and such. So we'll just have to keep watching and seeing what's going on. Meanwhile, Barry is wearing a suit instead of his jail clothes and stuff, and he's not moving much. He's not looking uncomfortable at all. So we'll see what's going on in this. I'll see you in the next video.